can check that out as well. मुझे क्या हो रहा है आज? क्लोथिंग मिलता था मेरी आवाज़ भी आज ख़राब हो चुकी है. इज़ ऑन हिल रोड ऑन पैंड्रा. मैं जगह के नाम भूल गई हूँ घर पे रह के. आई forgot what are the places to shop in Bombay. Hi guys, this is Snehal and welcome back to my channel Sugar Crayon, and in today's video I am going to share with you guys my experience of shopping at Street Style store. So if you are interested in knowing more, keep on watching. So I have previously shopped from Street Style store and वहाँ से I have got footwear. So I have got 3 footwears for 999 वाला deal वहाँ से पहले, and उसमें से एक बार ये जो मैंने footwears लिए I have reviewed it on my channel, so I'll link it out somewhere here so that you can watch that as well. And this time I thought चलो let's try out tops from Street Style store. तो स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर पे पहले भी टॉप्स वगैरह मिलते थे, बट आई नेवर ट्राइड इट आउट बिकॉज आई थॉट कि यहाँ पे भी स्ट्रीट मार्केट्स में मिल जाते हैं इजीली चीप टॉप्स. तो बैंड्रा हिल रोड जाओ या फिर क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट जाओ या फिर आप जाओ कुलाबा कॉजवे, एंड वहाँ पे यू गेट टॉप्स इजीली फॉर चीप प्राइजेस. सो आई नेवर गॉट इट फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर, बट स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर पे जो फुटवेयर मिलते थे दे वर लाइक क्वाइट ट्रेंडी, एंड 999 में 3 वाला डील वॉज वेरी कैची. सो आई ऑलवेज यूज टू गेट फुटवेयर फ्रॉम देम, बट दिस टाइम in this video we are going to review tops from Street Style store. तो इस बारी I thought of getting these plain basic t-shirts जो मैं सारे अलग अलग bottoms के साथ pair up कर सकती हूँ, and I can style it up in multiple ways. So I have got 3 tops for 799 वाला deal में, and I'm going to review it for you guys in this video. So if you are interested in watching, let's go. Okay, so now let's skip on to the part where I review the whole process. तो सबसे पहली बात I'm going to talk about how to order from Street Style store, which is quite easy. So you basically enter your name into your browser and you get to see their page. वहाँ पे you'll see various deals like flats में क्या deals है, shoes में क्या deals है, clothing में क्या deal है. तो मैंने shop किया है 34799 clothing वाले में से 3 tops. So once you place the order, one thing that you need to keep in mind is that they take a hell lot of time to get your things delivered to your doorstep. तो मैंने यहाँ से पहले भी शॉप करा हुआ था, so I had an idea that they take at least a month to deliver your items. तो अगर आप ऑर्डर कर रहे हो तो दिमाग में रख के चलिए कि you will get your items after a month. So if you are ready for it, then only place the order. So talking about my order, I placed the order on 22nd of Jan 2021. And I received first part of the order on 16th Feb जिसमें मेरा एक टॉप आया, and second part of the order I received on 21st Feb जिसमें मेरे बाकी के 2 टॉप्स आए. तो बेसिकली ऑलमोस्ट एग्जैक्टली 30 दिन लगे इनको मेरा पूरा ऑर्डर मुझे भेजने के लिए. सो प्लीज़ कीप इन माइंड व्हाइल यू आर ordering from Street Style store because they do take a month to deliver your items to your doorstep. Apart from this, I didn't have any issues with my order, but one of my friends, Ishita Yadav, she also has reviewed Street Style store के कपड़े on her channel, so you can check out her video as well. She has something to say about them. Okay, so talking about their exchange and return policy, for that I guess they have an exchange policy but they don't have a return policy. So whenever you are ordering from Street Style store, make sure that you check the sizes correctly and then order it, and also you enter your details correctly, because उसके बाद अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है वो कैसे रिजॉल्व होगा, कब रिजॉल्व होगा, वो आपको भी नहीं पता, भगवान को भी नहीं पता, बस उनके कस्टमर केयर सर्विस को जो अगर है तो उनको पता है. तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू आर डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स perfectly. Okay, so I've got 3 tops from them from the 799 wala deal. So whenever you go inside the tab which says 799 में 3 tops, you have to scroll and select whatever tops that you want to select and then put it inside your cart. And जब आप उसको cart में डालोगे तो सबके individual prices 399 होंगे, but whenever you check out it will apply the code and will show you the total payable amount as 799. तो total सबका 1197 निकल आता है, but it applies the code automatically and it shows 799. Okay, so the first item that I've got is called as All Season Rip Top Mauve Wood के शेड में, एंड इसमें और भी एक दो शेड्स है शायद, एंड आई हैव गॉट इट इन साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल. नाउ आई हैव गॉट दिस टी शर्ट फॉर द वे उसका जो नेक पैटर्न है उसके लिए. आई रियली लव हाउ it fits on my body, and to be honest, it, you know, it's size is something that fits my body very perfectly. तो काफ़ी body hugging है ये t-shirt, but if you are someone who doesn't like that kind of fitting, you can always size up. So for me, extra small is something that fits me and it hugs my body well, so I am cool with the fitting and everything of this top. But if you are someone who likes a little loose fit, तो size up. And yeah, I have only nice things to say about this top, so yeah. For the next top, it's called as turquoise blue puff sleeve ribbed top. So ये भी I have got in size extra small. So ये भी काफ़ी सुंदर टी शर्ट है, and I am recently a fan of these puff sleeves. They look really cute, and they remind me of the 80s and 90s fashion a lot. And इसके साथ इसका जो neck है ये भी V neck है, and I also love V necks. They really flatter my kind of body type, so I really love this. So again I've got it in extra small, and इसकी भी fitting exactly same है पिछले वाले टॉप के जैसे. So I have got no complaints with the fitting as well. But do check the size charts whenever you are ordering from Street Style Store. Like I have said, इनका customer care service, इनका return policy, इसकी कोई खबर नहीं है. So make sure that you are checking everything correctly by placing the order. The third top from this haul and the last top is the one that I am wearing, and it is called as Mighty High Neck Top, and it comes in only one size fits all, and it basically fits extra small, small and medium people. तो ये वाला top काफ़ी cute है. I like the color and everything of it, and the whole halter neck वाला type वाला high neck वाइब ऑफ दिस टी शर्ट. बट इसका डाउन साइड यही है कि फ़िलहाल, या अभी मुझे पता नहीं उन्होंने अपडेट किया है या नहीं, बट इट इज़ अवेलेबल ओनली इन वन साइज, एंड आई थिंक इट फिट्स परफेक्टली फॉर मी. बट फॉर मीडियम पीपल इट माइट नॉट फिट, दो इट claims that it's for medium people as well, but I don't think so. It might fit you. So if you are someone who is having heavy upper body, please try and skip this wala top, because it might not fit you as perfectly as it's fitting me. So yeah, other than that, this top is of good quality. I like the whole high neck thing this top has. तो ये काफ़ी perfectly जहाँ पे ख़त्म होना चाहिए वहाँ पे ख़त्म हो रहा है, and it's also cropped, you know, so it looks very cute when you wear it with high waist skirts or high waist jeans. So it's very cute, it's very trendy, and it fits me perfectly. So मेरे तरफ से it's having full marks. So that brings us to the end of this video, and for me the whole experience was quite satisfactory. I already had an idea कि ये वेबसाइट पे शॉप करने के बाद टाइम लगता है आने के लिए, थोड़ा समझदारी से ऑर्डर करना होता है. So I was quite prepared for the whole experience. And talking about the quality of the tops and everything, it was very nice, I would say. I like the color, I like the texture, I like the quality, everything. It was worth the money. 799 में 3 tops, worth it. For that I would give a thumbs up. And I have also liked और 2-3 tops वहाँ की वेबसाइट से. So I am planning to buy few more tops एक बार लॉकडाउन खुल जाए. So yeah, that was all about it. And if you like this video and if you found it helpful, do not forget to hit that like button. And I hope I have covered all the points in this video. I don't know why I feel like I have missed out on something, but if I have missed out on something, make sure you leave your queries in the comment section below. I would try to answer them. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye.